Join us on Saturday, November 23rd at 10 a.m. for an unmissable edition of Satideh Mawnin runnings titled Starting Over. Here's Jackie's take on a first start, bold move, and new beginnings.
Tell me something. Have you ever had to start all over from scratch? Have you ever had to ask yourself why, if me didn't know, me can't bother? I know I have. How did that make you feel? How did that make you feel?
Whether you're resetting, recharging, or rewriting your story, this conversation will inspire you to embrace the journey. Secure your spot now and don't miss out. Tune in bright and early on the Inside the Zone YouTube channel. Start fresh, start strong. See you there.